Okay, this is a continuation of last night's live. I will put that up in the iCard if you want to see this. I told them that I would finish videoing the rest of this today because things just weren't quite dry. And if you here's what we ended up with. On our bookmarks last night. So I'm going to finish them off in this video today, including down to the cutting. Cross your fingers that I did it right. This is only what the third time I've used this laminating machine. And I'm excited to see how this all works. I know it's quiet. I'm watching the process here. This is just a watercolor. Look at it, turned out really good. Still warm. Let it cool off and stuff some before we go and okay, this was the watercolor painting just with the colors, and then we put some of these in here. I got all these dried flowers and leaves from Stephanie, one of my subscribers, and I subscribe to her channel. She does a lot of drawing flowers and whatnot, and she sent me a whole bunch to do some great art with. This is just the beginning. I'm excited to see how this does because I'm not sure how this is all going to turn out. And my bookmarks are going to be for sale. I just got to get them all organized here. And oh, look at that. I wasn't sure how it was going to do, but it did turn out nice. Okay, this is the one I'm really nervous about because there's a lot going on with these. I did a napkin on there. Then I did flowers and leaves and whatnot, so, and the fern stuff. So let's see how this one, with so much going on, how well it does. So cross your fingers, everybody. We're going to find out how well these turned out. I'm excited to see. So far, so good, it looks like. Yay! Oh, doesn't that look good? That looks nice. Okay, if you hold on a minute, I'm going to, in the next clip, I'll go ahead and, because I have some others that I've done in the past. Like I did these earlier tonight as well. Really like the way those came out. I did front and back, so you could use either side. On the others, I just did the front. Some of these look really good coming out front and back. These I have done a while back. There's videos on these. Those are just done on the front. And these were just done on the front. So let me cool this machine off and then get my cutter up here. We'll see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Woohoo, there's one and there's two. And I think I'm going to run them through the laminator again just to make doubly sure they stay stuck. Just to be on the safe side. What's it saying? Okay, here we go. There we go. So far, so good. Okay, guys, I'm loving this. Anyway, this was a follow-up on last night's live. So I'm going to link the live event up there. And be right back. We're going to laminate them again just to make sure they stay sealed. Yeah, we're just going to do it again just to make sure everything's as it should be. I do two of them instead of one because that's the smallest of the laminator packets I could find, and I'm not wasting all of it, so I'd rather do two at once because I don't, you know, things cost money and you don't want to waste. And I just want to make sure things are like they should be. So we're going to run these through here just to make sure. I really like the way these turned out. The front and back. I'm going to make some more front and back ones. These are just napkins, but I do like the way they turned out. There's my deer. A little warm. So what do you guys think? Leave in the comments if you have any suggestions, especially if somebody has more experience with a laminating. I'm using a marigold. I got it on Amazon for under 20 bucks. I think when I bought this, I got it for like $14 maybe. Very inexpensive. And for what I want to use it for, as long as it continues to work like this, it'll be exactly what I need. The only thing it doesn't come with, so just so you know, is it doesn't come with any pouches at all. And Marigold does have their own brand of them, but it didn't come with them. I actually went down to Walmart and got the ones I got. And they're not Marigold, but they seem to be working just fine. But mine were, because it doesn't come with it. So if you buy this, you need to remember it does not come with it. Any pouches, just the machine. Yep, I'm pleased with it. So far, so good. I gotta look at see what that is. Gonna have to run this through. It didn't seal in the middle, right here. So we're gonna have to do that one again. That's because it's not able to lay flat. Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching. I'm going to just finish this up. I'm going to run this through again. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.